if you're still sitting here thinking, do I need shapewear? Like, really? I'm here to tell you yes, and here's why. Number one, shapewear will make you look trimmer and firmer. So even if you're happy with your weight, it will just smooth out the bumpy bits so that you look like you've been putting in hours at the gym when really you haven't. Number two, some styles can take you down a whole dress size. I know, where has this been all my life and why haven't I been in it? Number three, it will accentuate your best features so you can give yourself a tighter waist and outline that booty. Number four, it will help with bloating at those certain times of the month. I know that I can fluctuate wildly, and if I have a big event on, I really need some help. Number five, because of all of the above, shapewear will boost your confidence, and nothing is more attractive than confidence.